everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a great day today. I just wanted to share with you a little project that I did. It's a waterfall envelope card, I guess you call it. I saw a tutorial on the channel Lollipalooza's channel, and I'll put a link below. It shows you how to put the envelopes together so that you can make this waterfall card. And I'll show you here what I've done. First of all, I've used these really pretty papers with kind of looks like watercolor roses on here. And this one I did with pretty roses and a little bird on there. And yeah, I just really like this paper. It's from the paper pad called Sweet Blooms. And it was one of the hot buys. And see if I can just show you some of the papers here. They're so pretty. Let's do a quick little flip through there. Oops, a little too fast. I've used quite a few from here already, but yeah, they're really pretty to use in these kinds of projects. So yeah, basically it's a waterfall envelope card, and it's by stacking the envelopes together, and then as you open and close the card, your envelopes kind of slide and go down in that waterfall style. I used my envelope punch board and made 3 envelopes in different patterns, but the same size. And these ones are a 6x6 paper that I used to make them. And then I just used Lolly's tutorial and put them together. So they're like this. And then you just embellish your book and put little embellishments in the envelopes. And one tip is that you want to keep the bottom of your envelope card with just flat things on here, nothing that's kind of, has any depth to it, or otherwise your envelopes won't slide when you close it. So because you want it to kind of go down like this, and you can see from the side how it looks there. And yeah, and then you just embellish your cards. You can put little sayings in here like I've done on this one. I put fun, it says moments, the best things happen unexpectedly. I added some little stickers. I'll show you what I put in the pockets on this one. I made a little cellophane package here with some 3D stickers. It's little gardening stickers. It says it's basil, and then there's a little garden fork there. Just kind of package that up cute. Put that in the first pocket. Then in the second pocket here, I added just some little tags that they could use their markers on if they want to color those, or gelatos or something. Some little other label tags that they could use. And you can fill these pockets with really anything that you like, you think the recipient would enjoy. Here I put just a couple note cards that they can use, one with flowers on, and that one says thank you. And then I filled a little cellophane bag with some cutouts that I did with my flower punch and the circle punch. So those are things that, they can use in their own crafting projects. Let's get that in there. And then on the back, here I just added some stickers. It says have an attitude of gratitude. Some little pineapples and little birds. So you can just kind of embellish them however you like. Here's the second one I've done. The same pattern. I just really like that floral print. So this one says collect moments, not things. And I just added some little stickers on here, a little bow. In the first pocket, I have another little cellophane bag that I've packaged up these cute garden 3D stickers in there. There's a shovel and some pruners and a little pack of that looks like seeds. So that's really cute, and they're just in this cellophane bag with the polka dots on it. And then just some little embellishments in here. Got these little tags that they can use. See the world with open eyes. Another tag that I cut out and made, and then one with butterflies and flowers on there. Tied it up with some baker's twine there. And let's see, in here we have some more stickers and just some little note cards that they could use. Yeah, just some different ones there, little sayings on it. Just kind of whatever, you know, you have that you'd like to pass on to someone is a good idea to put in the envelopes. And today it says, today is a perfect day to start living your dreams. And you can decorate them any way you like. And here's the final one I did here with the flowers and the birds and this pretty pink paper. Inside it says, enjoy the moment, with the bird piece of ephemera there. Just some little stickers and, you know, the different envelopes again in pretty patterns. And the first one I have tied together with the baker's twine, some little tags, says for you, enjoy the little things, and just another little tag that I've made. In this pocket, what do I have? I have a little sticker that I put on some paper. It's a herb, rosemary. It's cute. And then just some little journaling cards that I've cut out. So it's kind of fun. Get those back in there. And then this pocket, I have a little mini bow that I made, and I just put it on some polka dot scrapbook paper. And then I have a couple of little tags that I punched out with my envelope punch board and put holes in them so they can just thread some ribbon through there and use those. So that was kind of fun to do. And then just on the bottom here I have a cute little bird. It says today is full of wonderful things and hello. And yeah, and those are really cute, and they would fit really cute into, you know, like if you were doing a, I guess, envelope pocket or whatever, or a big loaded pocket. Those would just slide kind of in there, and it would be something neat that they could open up and have little surprises in there. So yeah, anyways, I wanted to share that with you, and I hope you feel inspired, and I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye now.